Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two paper towel holders. So this one in the front, kind of a clamshell, this is the Paroto, P-A-R-O-T-O. Now this one in the back with the ratcheting action, this is called the Swaitee, S-W-A-I-T-E-E. I really do like this one with the ratcheting action. I'm going to show you why. So when you put a paper towel on there, it's got the ratcheting action that kind of prevents it from unwinding a whole bunch. It does go either way, and it kind of grips the, it really does do a good job of gripping the paper towel. Now this one also does a really good job, and it does prevent them from unwinding a bunch, but it's a little bit different. It's like a clamshell. Put it on, got to open this up a little bit, there. It may let the paper towels unwind, you know, you can see if I pull, see they unwind a little bit. You may get a lot more of that unwinding. Whereas over here, you can tell that that is really kind of gripping it, but not so much that it makes it hard. And then, see, when I pull one off, I don't get a bunch of unwinding because there is a little bit of friction there. Now, both of these are completely assembled. You just have to mount them. Both of them come with a two-sided tape, which I'm probably not going to use, but even though this one is a lot bigger, this one would probably work pretty good. It does come with 2 screws to mount them with the caps. This one, I like that it has 4 screws to mount them, and the plastic caps also to cover up the screws for a decorative look. Let's go over sizes real quick. This one, 11.5 inches wide, depth about 4 inches. Let's put a full-size paper towel on it. You're going to need about 6 inches. I could mount this on the wall. I'm going to mount mine underneath a cabinet. And again, that one there is about 3 inches. The bracket's about 5 3/4 by an inch and 3/4. Again, this one you got to mount the whole bracket to the wall, which is about 11 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 or 1 3/4 of an inch, and in between is exactly 11 inches. And about the same when there's a full-size roll-on, you need about 6 inches complete length. Little 2 different ways of doing it. I really do like this one with the ratchet. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.